Mercedes EQV 300 2021 model. I will show you battery location. It's in driver side. This is a UK type car, so the steering wheel is on the right side, but in Europe should be different, but this is the UK one. So the steering is the right side and the battery is under the driver's seat. So all you have to do, pull this cover, and then you pull from the top, not from the bottom. There is a clip from the top, and I'll show you the shape when it come out. So you pull from here and the clip will pop out, and if you see those things, if you pull from down, you will break these clamps. So pull from the top, it's not hard. Those clip and this clip will come out, and you can see the battery is here. Let me just move this on. The battery is here, so you can have the minus.